Okay, on this problem, we're going to find the slope of a line that passes through 2 points. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to set up the points by writing one on top of the other. So 0, 6, and below that, we're going to write 5, -4. Doesn't matter which is on top and which is on the bottom. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to look, how do I move from 6 to -4? You can use the number line if that helps. That's 10 units in the negative direction. So I'm going to write a -10. How do I go from 0 to 5? That's a positive move of 5. As always, I'm going to look at my change of y over my change in x. My change in y is -10. My change in x is 5. Always look to see if you can simplify. -10 is divisible by 5. So my slope is -2. For the next problem, I have another two ordered pairs that I'm going to rewrite. -2, -3, and below that, I'll write my 8, -1. Again, it doesn't matter which is on top and which is on the bottom. I'll use a different color to show my change in y. If I go from a -3 to a -1, that's 2. And if I go from -2 to 8, that's a positive 10. Change in y over change in x. My change in y is 2. My change in x is 10. Both are divisible by 2, so I can simplify to 1/5. My last problem, -2, -1, and 1, 1. So I'll rewrite my ordered pairs, one on top of the other. I'm going to look from -1 to +1. That's a move of 2, positive 2. And from -2 to +1, that's a positive 3. Change in y over change in x. My change in y is 2. My change in x is 3. Can't be reduced. So my slope is 2/3.